You'll need access to the Google document that contains all of the prompts used in this video. To get the prompt, go to our Discord channel. The link is in the description of this video. Go to the bot section and message the bot. You will receive a message in your DM. Copy the video link you want to claim the prompts on and send it to the bot. The bot will give you an instruction to subscribe, comment, and like our channel. Take a screenshot when you do that and send it to the bot. The bot will verify your screenshot. If the screenshot is valid, it will send you your reward, in this case your prompt. Otherwise, it will give you a warning to do the task. Take note that the bot is very intelligent and you cannot outsmart it. Do not send a fake screenshot, else the bot will ban you after 1 or 3 fake screenshot attempts. Make sure you follow the instructions given by the bot to avoid getting banned from our community. You'll find the link to the Discord community in the description of this video. Now let's get back to the generation process. Now, if you're a complete beginner or you've been struggling to make YouTube automation click and you want a more hands-on system, I have a community called PeroTech Community. It's not for everyone, but if you want it, you get direct access to me, a library of 100+ tutorials, and 150+ AI tools you can use to create content faster and cleaner. You also get step-by-step courses from setting up your channel to writing scripts, editing, thumbnails, and monetization, all the way to uploading, and even freelancing if you want to hire editors and scale. It's the full A to Z process. And you also get a community of like-minded creators working on faceless channels, so you can network, get feedback, and actually grow. If you're interested, link in the description.